We used to come here and see Pops in the Park, 4th of July fireworks every year. I believe this is the Wilder Monument, the tower that is. So Colonel Wilder led the Lightning Brigade. And what made the Lightning Brigade so unique is it was a Union mounted infantry. And they would ride their horses to the line of battle, dismount, and then fought as infantry with Spencer repeating rifles, paid for by the soldiers themselves. All right, welcome back to Dash for Adventure. We're gonna get a walk in, and that walk is gonna be vertical. Woohoo! Yeah, here we go. Kind of chilly in here. With a little bit of echo.
Dark, musty. Are you getting a picture of what it feels like in here?
So I keep going around and the sun lights the way and these little windows in the walls.
To the window.
To the walls. It's a window through the walls. All right. These are a lot of steps. Yeah. I'm out of breath. And we're not even to the top yet. This is embarrassing, isn't it? Hey, look at that shadow. Look at that shadow. Check that out. Check it out. Okay, we're gonna catch our breath. This thing is much taller than I remember the last time I went in here. I think I was 30 years younger.
Ooh, that's phallic.
Yeah, let me see. Okay. Most of the signs and monuments tell you how many horses died, how many soldiers died, wounded. I just want to know how many steps are in this monument. Oh, it looks like the top's up there.
We're so close.
Paula just said, this is very embarrassing. It is, that we're out of breath. Oh, look. Oh. But it's all worth it.
Have fun.
Oh, look at this. Wow.
I'm not gonna lie. I lost my bearings in there. I didn't know where we were. I know where we went in.
So when they would do the Pops in the Park, they would set up the stage at the base of the tower. And the stage would be almost fully encompassing the screen right now, what you're seeing. And then the audience would be out there in the field. And there used to be a road. That parking lot actually was just a road that continued through.
You can see it.
Yes, you can still see it in the grass. And people would park on either side of the road and fill this whole area up to watch the orchestra on the stage for pops in the park. And then the fireworks were actually shot off from a truck. If you can see it, there's another field just past this tree line.
You can see the cars.
Yeah, you can see the cars passing by back there. So the truck with all the fireworks would pull in over there just beyond the tree line, and they would shoot the fireworks over there for safety reasons. Why do I know this? Because I worked on the crew to build the stage and put on the performances here. A dear friend of mine, Steve Casey, was the production man on this. God rest his soul. What a beautiful place. All those years of coming here to do Pops in the Park, I never came back up the Wilder Monument Tower. I think I was in my 20s the last time I came up here. Maybe even a teenager. You've been here many times. This is your first time coming up the tower, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yep. Let's do the selfie in the sun. You got sunglasses on. I don't. So I don't even know if I'm pointing it at us.
I can't tell. The sun's so bright.
Here's the obligatory selfie in video mode atop Wilder Monument Tower.
Woohoo!
All right, going back down.
You just skip all 80. The 84. Hang on, let them down first.
Okay. 73,436 steps. Later, my legs are worn out. We're at the bottom, and I'm done. Woo-hoo! See you in the comments. Good night.
Good night, everybody.
That thing is tall. Woo! That plaque is missing. Site of Widow Glenn's house, burned during the battle of September 20th, 1863, the second day. We're still, most of this has happened on the second day of the Chickamauga Battlefield.